In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Outlook calendar color. If you want to make your Outlook calendar easier to recognize at a glance, changing its color is a simple way to do it. This can be especially helpful if you use multiple calendars and want to visually separate them more clearly. The good news is that Outlook makes this quick and straightforward. To begin, go to your Outlook inbox. This is your starting point, and from there you can access the calendar settings you need. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Outlook account before moving on, so the changes apply to the calendar you actually want to customize. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left-hand vertical menu where the main Outlook icons are displayed. Find the calendar icon and click on it. This will take you out of your email view and into the calendar section of Outlook. After the calendar opens, look for the calendar list area. Next to the calendar you want to update, click on the three dots. These three dots open a small menu with additional options related to that specific calendar. If you have more than one calendar listed, take a second to confirm you're selecting the right one before continuing. When the menu appears, click on color. This opens the available color choices for that calendar. Outlook uses these colors to help you visually organize your schedule, so pick something that stands out in a way that works for you without being distracting. Now click on your new color from the list of available options. As soon as you select it, Outlook will apply the new color to that calendar. You should see the change reflected right away, which makes it easy to confirm that the update worked. If the color doesn't seem to change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh visually or click away and back to the calendar view. In most cases, though, the update happens instantly. That's all it takes to change your Microsoft Outlook calendar color. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your calendar much easier to scan and manage throughout the day. If you're organizing work, personal appointments, or shared schedules, using color effectively can save time and reduce confusion. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to quickly customize the color of your Outlook calendar.